These young men and women are mentally retarded, but it is salary day, and they are standing in line, collecting their hopes, picking up their dreams.
पैसा से तुम क्या करोगे?
बैंक में डाल रहा है पैसा।
बैंक में डाल के
कपड़ा सिला रहा हूँ।
कपड़ा?
हाँ, अच्छा कपड़ा।
और क्या करोगे?
कपड़ा सिला रहा हूँ। शादी को जमा कर रहा पैसा।
शादी के लिए जमा कर रहे हो?
Yes, they have dreams. Dreams of shaping their own destiny. Dreams that spread out like hands into the sky.
It was both a great shock and surprise to us last year when we came to know there are as many as 150 mentally retarded children in our own railway family, particularly at Secunderabad. When Dr. Menon and Dr. Kuti of NMH motivated these parents to form an association, we encouraged it. This is for the reason that these parents, instead of looking for solution to their problem individually, if they come together, apart from the collective strength, they can also find out answers to their questions, at least in certain areas, on the principle of mutual help.
I am one of the parents having two children mentally retarded and going to the National Institute of Mentally Handicapped since 1985. Till last year, I couldn't have an idea as to what to do with these children, and that was posing me a problem. It is only under the guidance of the National Institute of Mentally Handicapped, the director, Dr. Menon and Ms. Teresa Gutti, then we thought that we can join as a parents association. And the month of April 92, we started this Akansha.
These people are working for the railways. It is here they make the files which will be used in the offices of the entire South Central Railway. These wheels are moving the railways and pushing the nation forward. And these hands are in control. Even Ugender, who is a spastic, with all four limbs severely affected, and has control over only 2 fingers out of the 5 on each hand, can work and earn a living. He needs a little help. Thank you. And now I have work to do. little tough, but he will not give up. He will work like the rest. Work with his hands at the ongoing creation of the world.
My boy is a boy suffering with fits, and after he has come here, I found that it was very difficult for him to work. And after some time, I found that the boy started picking up. So the rest of the results you can see here now what he is doing.
A small group of dedicated volunteers from the Parents Association help guide and encourage the retarded in the work they do.
See, it is very touching and also very encouraging. Why I say it, we can see the direct results out of our efforts. Out of my experience, I can very well say that the parents can be the effective organizers of the services for their own retarded children. And also they can be the effective trainers also. What they need is the support, the professional support and the community support.
Professional support is what comes from the National Institute for the Mentally Handicapped. And community support comes from the railway, Setwin, where they were trained, the Railway Women's Organization, and from the parents. With such support, these become a community themselves and learn to help one another to work as a team. And the files for the railway heap up and up and up.
For Railway Parents Association, we were lucky to get a good technical guidance from NIMH, a financial support from Railway Women's Organization, from Setwin, and then all support from Railway Administration also. Railway Administration came to our support to take our final product without any marketing efforts. Railway will purchase our product at a particular fixed price. So marketing efforts was minimum. Whenever Parents Association is formed, parents themselves are involved in good running of any association. So once they are dedicated, and once a few persons are there, at least 5% of the members association are even dedicated to their work and can give time. This can be an excellent example in India for welfare of the mentally handicapped children.
the seniors are earning and building up, these children have more important things to do, like drawing and painting, playing and growing up. Attached to the training and production center at Akanksha is a school for younger children. The salaries of the teachers are paid from a fund set up by the South Central Railway Women's Organization.
मैं आपको बताते हुए मुझे बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि आकांक्षा हिंदुस्तान का सबसे अच्छा डिसेबल सेंटर है। हम लोग उनको पूरी सपोर्ट देंगे, पैसे से, सामान से, हर तरह से, और उनको आगे बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे। उनका काम बहुत ही अच्छा है। जो बाहर से हम लोग फाइल्स लेते हैं उससे 100% बेटर फाइल्स वो बना रहे हैं, और इस वजह से वो अपनी मेहनत करते हैं, हम लोग उनको पैसा देते हैं। हम लोग कोई किसी के, वो लोग ना तो अपने माँ बाप के ऊपर भार है ना सोसाइटी पर। दे आर नॉर्मल सिटीजन लाइक अस and they are better than us because they are working very hard.
Delighted to see the children working over here, that and also our participation is bearing fruit. When we see in their complexion how happy they feel about it and how much concerned they are about the jobs they are doing. So I think the railway, South Central Railway authorities are to be profusely thanked for providing us the opportunity to put these people on work. And when I entered these premises, the moment when I happened to see the stacks of the files and other articles being done by these people, and I found that qualitatively the work has improved a lot. I really congratulate the Parents Association people and the parents who accompany these children every day almost and trying to improve the quality of work.
One day I was busy. That day it was the salary day. And my boy went and received his salary. And I asked him, son, what did you get? So he says, Daddy, I got my first pay.
And I found there was a little change in him. There is a marked difference because he got his salary and it was a reward for his job. Next thing was he was able to give the money to his mummy and say, I got my salary. We were talking, myself and my wife, that all that money that I drew from the bank, it is all over, exhausted. Now I have to again go and draw the money. Then in my absence, he asked his mummy, I also gave some money to you. What happened? That also you have spent? That was he was asking. So there's a definite change which has come in him, and thinking also there's a change because he started thinking about his home affairs.
And he comes regularly in time, and whenever if I want money, he says, I am having money, I will give you, don't worry. And after getting salary, I will take you to the exhibition, I will purchase bangles for you, handbag, you are not having good bag. So like that he gives me assurance that he can stand on his legs. He plays cricket, and he says one day he will come in the TV playing cricket. He will become like a Kapil Dev, and he will earn a name and prize also for me. And whatever he gets, he thinks he will give it to his mummy only first, because I am struggling for him. His feeling is like that. His aspirations are like that. He says, I will come up.
A man's reach must exceed his grasp, or what's a heaven for? I will come up. That's the dream that rises from Akanksha and lifts 1,000 hands up into the open sky.